Coupon Queen, and welcome to the 5 must-do Walgreens deals for next week. So these deals are going to go from Sunday the 26th until next Saturday, February 1st. So I have some updates on the Revlon BOGO coupon for you guys and a couple additional deals that anyone can take advantage of with some digital coupons or no coupons needed at all. Just some great sale items, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And don't forget, tomorrow I will be posting my CVS haul video with my first ever subscriber appreciation giveaway. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys don't miss out. I will be giving away a $20 CVS gift card. So I'm super excited about that. I hit 2,000 subscribers this week, which is amazing. Thank you to everyone who supports my channel and leaves those really sweet comments. I really do appreciate that. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. So the first deal is on Colgate toothpaste and the toothbrushes. So the deal is buy 2 and get a $4 register reward. So make sure you check your accounts on Walgreens, on your app. There's a lot of booster coupons are available. There's even more of the spend 20, get 5,000 points. Some accounts are getting spend 30, get 6,000 points. I even got one that said spend $1, get 5,000 points. So I'm not sure what that one was about, but make sure you guys clip those and send them to your card today as soon as possible. They will disappear if you don't clip them because there is a limit of how many people can use those coupons. So, okay, back to this deal. You're going to buy one of the toothpaste for $2.99, one of the toothbrushes for $2.99 as well. You're going to use a 75-cent coupon from Colgate.com. Then you're going to use a 50-cent Colgate toothbrush coupon from the $1.19 Smart Source inserts from the Sunday paper. You're going to pay $4.73 out of pocket, but you're getting back that $4 register reward. So final cost is just 73 cents for both of them, which I don't think is a bad deal, especially when you're getting some nice toothbrushes. Okay, so here is an amazing deal on paper products that I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of because I need to stock up. It is on Viva paper towels and Cottonelle toilet paper. So they're on sale 2 for $12. So the deal I put together, you're going to pick up one of each. Total is going to be $12. You're going to use a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So you're going to pay $10 out of pocket, or of course you can use points, register rewards to help pay that down. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get back 3,000 points for the Viva, which is equal to $3, and 2,500 points for the Cottonelle, which is equal to $2.50. So final cost is going to be just $4.50 for both items, or $2.25 each, which is an amazing price for some really good paper products. Now, if you're not signed up on Fetch, here is my referral code below, J24VT. If you're new to Fetch, download that app. Make sure you put in that referral code. Then when you scan your first receipt, you're going to get an additional 2,750 points back, which is the equivalent of $2.75. So if you're new to Fetch and you submit that referral code, your final cost is going to be just $1.75 for both items, or 87 cents per paper product, which is absolutely amazing. So make sure you guys sign up for Fetch. It's one of the main reward apps that I use. There's tons of different gift cards available to redeem your points for, including CVS. So this morning I went to CVS, picked up a couple additional products. I picked up some Persil laundry detergent. I had a 3 off 12 Persil laundry CRT. I used my Fetch Rewards. I didn't pay a dime out of pocket. So that is the really great benefit of Fetch Rewards. Okay, so same deal that's going on this week is on the Revlon or Almay. If you spend $15 or more, you're going to get a $10 register reward. So this is the update on this coupon. So I used it yesterday. I picked up a couple more things and I wanted to stack up on the register rewards for the spend digital boosters. So this is the deal that I did. So when you put in the buy one get one free coupon from the 1.5 Smart Source, it takes off the higher amount, which is amazing because typically buy one get one free coupons take off the lower amount. However, my cashier noticed it was taking off the big one got worried, called over the manager, asked her what to do. The manager said, you know, it wasn't a big deal, and she typed in the lower value. But if you have a cashier who understands, then it automatically takes off the higher value, which is amazing. So if you buy something that's $10 and something for $5 and it takes off the $10, you have a very large moneymaker on your hands. So I wanted to give you guys the heads up on that. It is working the same as it did last time. So the deal I put together for you guys is you're going to buy one of the Revlon palette eyeshadow. They are $7.79 at my store. Then one of the Revlon lipsticks for $8.29. You're going to use the buy one, get one free coupon. It'll take off that $8.29, so you'll pay $7.79, get back that $10 register reward. So final cost is absolutely free, and a $2.21 money maker, which I thought is amazing. And of course, this is going to count towards beauty. So the total, the $16.08, is going to count towards beauty. And at Walgreens, for anyone who is new, I know I have a lot of newbie couponers on my channel, which is amazing. Welcome. For every $50 in beauty products that you buy, which includes shampoos, conditioners, body wash, lotions, facial care, and of course, any cosmetics or beauty items, you're going to get back 5,000 points. So right here, you would be at $16.08, heading towards that total. Okay, so here is some great laundry deals if you need to stock up on some Downy or some Tide Simply. They're on sale, buy 3, get a $3 register reward. So what I'm going to do is pick up 2 of the Downy fabric softeners. They're $2.99 each. And 1 of the Tide Simply. They're also $2.99. Now, from the $1.12 Retail Me Not insert, there is a 50-cent Tide Simply coupon. And you can print a 50-cent coupon from pgeveryday.com. They both have a limit of 1, but they're 2 different coupons, so you should be able to use both of them. Also, check for digitals. Sometimes we'll get a digital version as well. So you'll pay $7.97 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward, so final cost is just $1.65 each, which I think is a really good deal for some fabric softener and some Tide. More laundry deals. So this one is even more amazing. The ones I'm going to pick up is the all laundry detergent. I did this deal at Walmart as well in my Walmart Ibotta haul from last week. It is on sale at Walgreens for $6.99. You're going to use a $2 all digital coupon. Then you're going to pay $4.99 out of pocket. So you can pay that in cash, you can use points, whatever you guys would like to do. Then you're going to submit your receipt. Make sure you guys click the rebate before you submit your receipt. That way it can pull up on your receipt that you had that rebate activated to give you this money back. So the limit on Ibotta is 2. So you can do this deal twice if you'd like, and you would get back $2 for each all 88 ounce or the all packs, the like pods for 39 count. Final cost is going to be just $2.99 each. So if you don't know how to use Ibotta, if you're new to that app, for any of the newbies on the channel, I will be posting my how to use the Ibotta app video that I did for you guys at the end. So make sure you guys click on that, see how you use the Ibotta app. It's very simple. Download it. You can use my referral code on that as well. You'll get more cash back, and we'll be able to be on the same team to help each other get as much bonuses as possible. So here are just a couple additional deals that anyone can take advantage of, so I wanted to share them with you guys. The Ajax 28-ounce dish soap is on sale for $1.99. There's a 50-cent digital, makes it just $1.49, which I think is a great price. And the nice storage bags, again, as well as the small trash bags. They're on sale, buy one, get 2 free. So I use these storage bags constantly, and they're amazing. To me, I think they're the same quality as Ziploc, but that's just my personal opinion. I use the sandwich bags, the storage bags, they have freezer bags, you name it. I think they're great. So you would pick up 3 of them. They are $2.79 each, but remember, you're only paying for 1, and you're going to get 2 for free. So final cost is just 93 cents each. You don't need any coupons, anything. Just make sure you're signed up, of course, with the Walgreens Rewards app, so that way you guys can take advantage of these deals. Okay, so those are all the deals and the amazing 5 must-do deals for Walgreens next week. Again, if you don't know how to use the Ibotta app, make sure you click this video here. This shows you all the ins and outs of Ibotta, how to use it, how to maximize your savings, and get all the bonuses to get as much cash back as possible. As well, if you haven't seen the 5 must-do CVS deals for next week, click this video here where I go over some amazing deals for CVS. There's some money makers, some freebies, of course. CVS is a little bit more dependent on what CRTs you have, so make sure you stop by the red box when you guys go to CVS next week. Scan your extra care card and get as many CRTs and instant coupons as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.